Alright, so today we're going to learn how to make a face mask out of a bandana and 2 hair bands and a coffee filter. So according to the CDC, it says that you need to fold it in half, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half one more time here to the middle, and we're going to lift it and let the other side hang down. And what we're going to do is when we switch this around, we're going to put the coffee filter in. And you take the coffee filter out every time you go somewhere, and it helps to block stuff from coming in. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the hair bands and we're going to put it on either side. And these are going to be what hold it to your face. And just like that. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these ends in and we're going to tuck them into this side so that we have a flat surface. Alright, and there we have it. We have a face mask. And you would just put said face mask on like this. And there you go. It works.